Data validation in VB.NET. It is a process in which a programmer should ensure that whatever the data or the format entered by the user in a input box or in the form of input in any input format should be correct. It should not show any bugs. That means when we are taking the input from the user, if it is not right during the processing, we will get bugs for processing it. It should not happen. So we are having certain validation rules which are supposed to be followed by a programmer while designing a program, so that while the user is entering a wrong format of data, it should pop up a message. It should have a very good user application interface. That means it will be very easy for a user to know whether it is a correct format or no. For example, you can take your Gmail. When we are asking a user to enter it, if it is being entered without an @ symbol, it is a wrong format and it should be shown, so that the user will have a good user interface and he will know what kind of data to be entered. So those are known as data validation. Here are some common validation requirements for all the design forms. Those are in 6 types. That is, first one is permitted character. This is useful to determine whether an input string containing a valid character or not. That means it should have a mobile number, should have only 10 digits, not more than that. So all those things. Next is type check. It will, whatever the data entered should be in a correct data type. If it is data type of integer, it should be only of integer. Float, it should be of float. Format check, it will check the date of birth format, email format, mobile number format. Range check, it will whether a person is valid to vote if they are above the age of 18. So all those kind of validities will be done in valid check. Limitation check, numeric values that must be either greater than or equal to some limits, all those are measured. Maybe the minimum number of books to be purchased not lesser than this. Then value entered check, are the name and telephone number must leave the field blank at certain place, all those things.